Hey guys, it's Andrea. I wanted to do a quick video on how I pre-plan because I thought that'd be really fun. It takes me like forever and a half, so I figured I would do that. I actually have a time limit today on my planning, so I'm trying to be a little fast. So first thing that I do, if you hear Ben in the background, he's playing downstairs. I was just with him, and now Nick is on duty. Yep. He's probably trying to get a toy. He's insane. He like just started like pulling himself up on things. Well, like that was like maybe like a week and a half ago, but he's like really fast. So like I feel like he's gonna be like able to get on the couch, like pull himself onto the couch very soon. And he's going to be 6 months this week, which is crazy. So I am going to be using my Love. So I'm not gonna use the little girl boxes. I didn't know when I was gonna use this kit, so I figured I'd just bring both. So I want to try and make like a 1.5 out of this somehow, or like 0.5, or I probably won't be able to use this all. I don't know how I'd make like half. I could draw like a black line through it or something. So I'm going to try and use these. I'm going to try and use the little blonde boy because Bennett is blonde. And then I have some glitter headers, and then I have the kit itself, which is so pretty. So let's go ahead and think. Let me look at that bottom washi. We have the faux double washi going on. I'm going to go ahead and check my washi log to see if there's any like simply gilded washi I want to pull in. It would be pink and gold probably, I would assume. So I find that. So I do have some pink and gold options. Let me pull something with a lot of the colors on them. So this is what I normally do every week before you guys see me on camera. So I do have the option if I want to bring in like pink and gold, which would be very pretty. I don't think that there's anything else that's like exceedingly beautiful. Maybe like the white and gold would like give a little space. That might be pretty. And those are like champagne. I feel like this is more like a hot gold situation. Technically really don't have to bring in anything, but I kind of want to because I don't think I did last week. Let's go this way. I don't think there's much. No, there's just rainbow. Kind of want to bring in the pink and gold or the white and gold. Let me look at it. Look at the washi. I think the white and gold might be nice because there is a lot of white in the kits. So now I roll over to my washi house, which is full. It's a full house. We're not taking any new applicants. So I have this. It's like, I feel like this is hot gold and this is regular gold, but we'll use it. And then I'm going to pull out my, I don't need scissors, my ruler, my X-Acto knife, which is my slice tool, my friction tape. Then I am going to pull in some day dots. I'm probably going to pull in black ones just because that's going to be a lot of gold with the gold outline. So I'm going to pull out the ones from my shop. They fit like perfectly. So they'll start at the 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll probably just use one of the bottom ones. There's no holidays this week, so I don't need holiday stickers. What is going on this week? I probably should do that first. Let's look at that real quick. So I have been writing all of my plans down on this little pre-planning pad that I have. This will be coming to the shop in a couple of weeks, or not next week, but the next week. So this is just a regular pad. So like a regular notepad. I used to get these at like Target and then adhere them with like washi tape, but I also have a little like post-it pad that matches that'll also be available. So I usually write down my plans in here, and I do write all of my pre-plans in this Foxy Fix. I just got this, but I was using my personal TN before, and this is just a single, and I'll show you guys a month that I haven't really written anything in yet. So I have all of my plans written down in here. Obviously, I'm on the April portion. So I'm going to go ahead and jot those down. So Monday is the 9th. There's a hair on this. On the 9th, we have a in-house doctor appointment. It's kind of like a long story, but not. Then on Tuesday, Bennett is 6 months. And then also mystery spots open. And I'm also probably working this day for only a couple hours because I did work this Saturday. Thursday, I'm probably also going to work an actual work day. And then Nick is going to the movies with Brian, I think. On Saturday, I have a nail appointment. On Sunday, I have nothing. And then we're probably also going to go grocery shopping on Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then probably, maybe me and Ben will go grocery shopping without Nick. On this day, there's also new releases. To do payroll on Monday. I think I might do, no. I think that's it. And then plan next week. I think that's everything. Yeah, so I think that's my week. Nothing like wild, you know, nothing wild has been happening. April, I feel like I have a lot of stuff going on, but nothing like crazy, you know. So that is like my little thingamabob. So let's look at that. So let me go to my little foil section. I need foil and Clever Gal Crafts. So for my foil binder, I do need to pull out, do I want to do some overlays? Ooh, this is going to get hard. I only have 50% left of my battery. I might have to just like film this tonight and film the pre-plan now. I think I want to do glitter header overlays because like there's like gold confetti, and then obviously like gold confetti would be like the necessary thing to do. So I'm just going to grab some gold. I don't think I've used gold, so I'm just going to grab a gold from my header overlays, and then from my full box overlays, I'm probably going to do the confetti ones, I think, like I did for Vegas. Let me see what I have. I have these ones, and do, kind of wish like some of these were just like this and then you had like multiple ones, because there's nothing else on the rest of them. Because I would kind of do like one on top and then one on the bottom, and maybe like do some like crazy like, that seems like so wasteful because they're like $1 a box. Or if there was like more sprinkly patterns. I have the ones that's like an exclusive one for my box, but it's silver and it doesn't work. Could do like, ooh, maybe I could do one of these. Mixed with one of these. Maybe I should go full blown crazy because it is like his 6 months, and do these on like every box, and then do this one on the quote box, like happy birthday my love, does this fit? I like that some of her paper is like clear so you could kind of see. I feel like that would work. It would cut it off a little but not like a ton. So I think I want to use those, and then I'll like put these on maybe like every other one. I really want to put them on every single one. I mean, it's just so expensive. Let's see. To use 2 of them, it's $8. And I love them a lot. It's just like, ugh. I think I want to do it just because it's a 6 months. And I mean, when in Rome. I do also have in the back, I totally forgot, instead of using these numbers, they cute, but I think I'm going to use, oh, I could have did like a 6 for 6 months, duh. I have these that I made that say like Bennett months, and I do have a 6-month one, so I'm actually going to use that. And then other foil things I'm going to need, let's look. So I usually just like flip through and I'm like, oh dang, I need that. So from my gold script section, I want the little, let's see, new releases. I want the till my birthday, and that's it. Then I'm moving on to the icons, and I usually just grab all of them, but I know there's a lot of them like I'm not going to use, so I'm just going to put a lot of them back. Like these blue would not match the spread at all. The nude might, but I don't really need those. I don't need these little dots. Don't need travel ones or dog ones. Not this week. Don't need all of those. I feel like I've been like just putting them all in, and it's just so dang bulky. Okay. So I'm just going to bring those out because I know I'll need something from those. Probably not the bows. Don't need any heart checklist. Don't need any foil headers. And then this is all random foils. I think I'm done in my foil binder. And then I bring out my Clever Gal Crafts binder, and I grab, usually this sheet has the most like solid color, and then if I'm looking for gold, I start on this side. If I'm looking for silver, I'll start on this side. So realistically, I could always usually use the Sophie, but I kind of want to pick something a little bit different. If I can find a green that matches perfectly, this pink would be really good, but I don't think I have flags for this, which is usually what I need, so it's not really an option. I have to kind of turn it this way because of seeing the colors. These all don't have gold options in my collection. This peach could work, but it's not like an exact match. This color could work, this color could work. So that's probably like one of my best options. I really wanted to match the green. It's like a tealish, bluish, greenish color. See, this is what you guys miss. Like, I would never do this on camera. I would bore you guys. This nude would match. This is like really pretty, actually. Actually, this green is pretty close, but it's a little dark. I mean, I want it to be darker. Oh, yeah, it's too dark. That's pretty close, but I don't have flags. So I think I'm gonna go with, I'm actually gonna go with this peach color. Do I have bows? No, that's okay. I have these two, so I just keep those out for the week. And I think that's everything I usually do to pre-plan. I just grab everything out and then I kind of like organize it a little bit better prior to you guys seeing it. I usually keep this off to the side, like whatever I'm using. I'm probably gonna use, oh, I don't have, these aren't the new ones with the fancy labels. I'm probably just gonna use the gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those away. And then, so I keep all of my foil stuff usually in one pile and then all of my kit stuff in another pile. And that is how I pre-plan. I think I have everything done. And then usually during the video, I'm like, oh dang, I forgot something. But that is how I pre-plan. Like I said, this notepad's going to be coming to the shop along with the little, let me pull off the top one so you can see without the writing. The little sticky notes, those will be coming to the shop. I'm going to start having a lot more like sticky notes, notepads, and die cuts and stuff. That's kind of my goal for May, June, is start bringing out more. There is actually a notepad that matches one of the collections next week, which I'm really excited about. So that's why those won't be coming out this Friday, but those will be coming out next Friday. This Friday, there's like a post-it note that matches the collection, which is actually an exclusive collection drawn for SPC. But that is everything for this little pre-planning video. I hope that you guys kind of see the insides of how I pull everything together, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.